Hello, hi. This is my attempt at day 3 of vlogging. So welcome to my channel. And this is Uso's Capsule, and this is day 3 of vlog. Day 3 of a vlog for the week. That is, which week are we on now? Today is the 19th of June. So anyway, I just wanted to do a short intro and then let's see how my day goes. I started late. Okay, I've got to go. Bye.
Look what you putting me through. I never do this to you. I need to hold a corner, and it's no white. One time, I need to hold a corner, and it's no white. One time. Mira.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing just slides in both ears. Dice falling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the dollar in my shorty bag. Know she run around when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a J and count my fingers shit. It's that stepping out of feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you not enough, then it's gon' be some shit. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. The young stunner, till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. The young stunner, till I die. I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world?
Hello, hi, welcome back. We continue with day 3 with vlog. Cannot believe it, but okay, I'm happy. Anyway, you know that makes me super excited about this vlog, especially is because we are introducing her, right? She is a wireless microphone, of course. Yeah, I do not know. I will put product details here somewhere, which is weird because I think Google order something else brand name wise. But anyway, I think so far I'm happy with what I've received. And also I just wanted to say or share a few comments, reviews thus far. Okay, so sorry about that. The reason why I went for this new what's the other one? New microphone, right? It's because I needed 2 mics. I didn't the one that I have currently that I've been using is just one mic, one set. I needed another one so that I'm able to have interview sessions. Like if you watched my previous vlog where I was with my daughter and she was doing a book review, the sound there was not so nice because I was sitting on the other side and she was using the mic. And yeah, so we're growing here, Siakula. And so this is and also I think one other thing that I love about this is supposed to be what's this, noise reduction microphone as well, because I have the people that I live with, there's one specific person who loves to sing. So and also I just found that sometimes if there's people in the kitchen doing whatever, you can pick up the sound. So I've been trying to budget and look for a reasonable mic to upgrade to that covers all these things. So this was on sale. I think it was priced at $5.99, the original price on Take-A-Lot, and I got it at $4.99. So I'm quite happy so far, quite excited to test it out. You can let me know how the sound sounds like, sound quality. Do you see a difference? Do you hear a difference between my previous videos and this video? And oh, the one thing that I think is an irritation though is putting this onto the mic itself. This is it. This is the teaser. Sana it work out anyway. I need it. So anyway, so perhaps maybe let me, okay, it's fine, I can start here. So obviously this is what comes with the, this is what is advertised, right? But you get the mic, 2 mics, a transmitter, and a charging port, and also you get these bushy what I don't know what to call them, but man, it is such a struggle to put these on. I don't know whether excuse me, or what. So around the engine, and it's so slippery. It keeps so what I do is actually, what works for me is just folding it inside, and then I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this on camera. Okay, this thing that you use to attach the mic to your body in a magnetic situation, in a magnet, and it kind of makes sense because I'm sure they know what a struggle it is to put this in here so that this comes off. Obviously you should know that you should need to have this side up so that you can put in a mic here, but man, and it's so cool. Okay, let's see, maybe practice has made things, oh yeah, Yvonne, Sana, I'm fighting for my life. Yo. Yeah, got it. Okay, so now I've got it the other way around, so now I need to swap it around. Here's in that book. Oh my god. Okay, there. Woo! Got it. Yeah, then I'm just going to attach that over there and then put it on. So I'm super excited because I'm wanting to create more content with my daughter. Okay, so I think this is where the thing comes in. I don't know what this is. And this is the power. Sorry about that. So Nancy power button. So if you press number there when it's off. Yeah. So yeah, just thought let me come. I'm sorry I could not unbox it and record the unboxing. could not record unboxing. I was anxious. Oh, I forgot something else. So something else that I love about this is, I can't because it's in the phone, in a transmitter, and they also have a little gadgety thing to make sure that, because I was worried, I was stressed, anxious because I've ordered some stuff from Take a Lot to use, and then only to find that I've ordered the wrong adapter or one too. So I was quite anxious. So when it got here this morning, I opened it and I thought yoba I must record. Only came later, and yeah. But anyway, so I just wanted to come and share this with you guys, because we're a family here, and siyakula sonke, we are growing together, and we are learning and going through this we're going through this content creation journey together. So when we get new things, we are going to share. We are going to share, we are going to celebrate, and we're going to learn together. And asking anyway, yes, I think what I'll do is I'll do like another video, a proper sit down video, and just go through all things new mic. I will see you here on the next one. I'm not too sure what the situation is for today as far as me vlogging further. I think I'll just have all vlog 3 and vlog day 3 and vlog day 4 in one video. I'll see. Anyway, let me love and leave you. I will see you on the next one. Bye.